Hello guys, this is Arkneil Gaming and we'll be getting M7 Pass featuring Ranger. So purchase, we're going to use 399 diamonds and you're gonna find out if the M7 Pass is worth it or not. So let's buy it first.
Even under the withering shadow, light will not yield.
Buying the pass automatically gives you the Thunder Ascendant skin of Ranger, which is already worth it on the first purchase. And this is my 700 skin. Wow, 700 skin guys. Let's do a screenshot. Very nice indeed. And you also get 400 lottery coins and 3,000 experience points. So it's really worth it guys. Wait, why didn't my diamonds drop? Okay, it was just a visual bug. I thought I got it for free. Anyways, okay, so I have enough levels to get Gatotkacha skin, but this skin can be obtained even with without the M7 pass. So this is my 701 skin, Solar Spark. Okay, and you can also get this Sacred Statue, this elimination effect, which we will equip. Now we're gonna say goodbye to the SpongeBob elimination effect. Wait, where's that? Where's the new? It's supposed to say new. I can't see it. Is this it? Oh, that's M3. No, sorry, that's M3. Nope. Nope. Why can't I see it, guys? It's supposed to be... Yeah, I can't see it, guys. Sorry. Yeah, I'll just equip it next time. Sorry. And you'll also get this killing notification. See? All these rewards and 3 banner of morale. Maybe the banner of morale is from the level up. But getting all these effects, the elimination, notification, very worth it guys, just for 399 diamonds. So if you're a Granger main, it's also a plus, because for me the effects of this skin is pretty good. Not bad for 399 diamonds guys. So M7 or any M7 or any M pass is worth it guys. So if you have the diamonds, I suggest you get it. And of course you can get some more awesome rewards like this recall effect. Look at this awesome recall effect guys. Also get this avatar border if you reach the designated level, and you can also get the prime skin, which is another good reason to buy the pass. And you can also get the trail effect, but this bubble chat or chat bubble may take more diamonds and more effort to get, and especially this Sacred Statue, this costs a lot of money, around 10,000 diamonds if you buy it on the first day. So that's it, guys. That's it about M7 Pass. Get yours now. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.